When's Donna getting back?
This morning. You haven't said much to me since Oakland.
I don't got much to say, I guess.
You were right, it wasn't ready.
It's done, bro. You doing all right with all that?
You're just a bit out of practice dealing with that shit, you know?
No, it's about something bigger, man. Club, family.
Now I got you past it.
Yeah.
You, Clay? I know we got cash tied up in the rebuild, but I was hoping to get my payout for Hefner. 2 mortgage payments behind.
Oh, you should have said something, man. Waiting for the cash wasn't mandatory.
I know. I was just trying to help the club.
That's all right. I'll pull it out of the treasury funds.
Thanks, man.
Hey, yo. You doing okay?
Yeah, just shit at home. I got it handled.
What's going on with him?
His heart's in it, and his head someplace else.
Too much of that shit going around lately.
Uh-huh.